am Priyanka, working as an assistant professor, Department of Data Science in Pottisharamlu Chalvadi Mallikarjunaravu College of Engineering and Technology. And today I will give you a quick overview of data science. What is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses statistical methods, algorithms, technology to extract insights from data. It involves data collection, cleaning, analysis and visualization. Data scientists use programming languages like Python and R and the tools like Jupyter Notebook and Tableau. Data science drives decisions in healthcare, finance, marketing and more. From predicting diseases to recommending products, its impact is everywhere. Now, the data science is transforming industries and shaping the future. With the rising demand for data-driven decision making, the need for data science professionals is skyrocketing. The data science field is significantly growing by the end of this 2025 and projecting the increase in the job market. And the top companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook and many startups are hiring data science professionals for their own companies for their own benefits. Thanks for watching.